All right, everyone, are you ready for it? A 10-minute foot flow. Sounds weird, but so many of us have issues with our feet. We have issues with, um, you know, really simple things from just like feet cramping up to maybe your feet not being able to feel comfortable when you're sleeping or standing for long periods of time, to really challenging things like I deal with bunions. People deal with plantar fasciitis. They deal with their arches giving them a lot of pain. They deal with bones in their feet. Your metatarsal is really uncomfortable. So what we're trying to do is just make your feet more comfortable. Aha! Here we go. 10-minute foot flow. All right, so we're going to start super simple. We're just going to come up and down on our balls of our feet and then drop our heels, okay? So just really waking up the bottoms of the feet. And what's really important with the bottoms of the feet is also to access the, mobility and strength in the calf muscle, the soleus, the Achilles, all the muscles that kind of go from the back of the knees downward. That can also attribute to a lot of the tension that we're feeling. And then again, you could dive deeper. There's nerve pain in the hips, sciatic pain can shoot out the bottoms of the feet, things like that, which I'm not as versed in, but I do know that a lot of that can also contribute to foot pain. So right now, as we go up and down, you should A, start to feel like your calf muscles get a little bit tired and fatigued. B, you should feel like you're waking up the bottoms of your feet. So if this is the bottoms of your foot, you're kind of like almost doing this with them. Good. Now we're going to pick a foot to start on. So I'm going to take my right foot. I'm just going to point and flex my toes for 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now draw 3 circles right, 3 big mobility circles, 2, 1. If you're having trouble balance, hold a wall. 3, other way, 2, 1. Good. Let's get this second side rocking. I'm starting left side. You might have done left first. Point and flex. Good. 4, 3. Point and flex that foot out. 2. And then big circles for 3. Good. Circle it out. 2, 1. Now go the other way. 3. Good job. 2. Still finding that balance. And 1. Good. Now you're going to go back to your first foot. Act like it's a hand. You're going to try to grab something with your foot. So squeeze. Squeeze. 5 of those total. 3, 4, 5. Good. Switching sides. Extend the foot. And again, this is your little toe grab. So you're trying to cram that foot in half. Good. 2 more. Good. All right. Now what we're going to do with our foot is we're going to very carefully step 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Okay. So you're in a lunge, obviously, and you're digging the back of the heel down, but it's not on the mat, all right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to push through this front foot, and as we do, lift really high on the ball of the back foot, okay? So bend the right knee forward, start to drive the right heel back, so you're starting to feel the calf muscle as well as the bottom of the foot. Now straighten the front leg, really drive up into the ball of the left foot. Good, you're going to do that one more time. Bend the right knee forward, push back through your left heel. Significant tension starting to build. Now push firmly into the ball of the foot as you straighten your front leg. Good. Now bend your knee, bring your hands down and forward. Perfect. Now we're going to straighten our front right leg, pick up your right toes, and as you do, ideally your back foot goes flat. Now I have the mobility to do this. You may need to shorten that stance. You may need blocks. Your toes on the right are in the air. Good. You're feeling that sensation as you drive down through the heel. Perfect. Now, foot's going to go flat here. Exhale, bring your hands up to your hips. 1, 2, 3, step up. And then just switch your feet. So right foot's now going to be back. Left foot's going to be forward, okay? So you're in that nice cozy lunge. You're driving your right heel way back behind you. Push, 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 push. Your left knee is bent. And now we're all going to come high on the ball of our back right foot, straightening our front left leg. Good. Bend the left knee, drive your right heel back, back, back. Good. Hold on to this. Really feel the heel drive back like it wants to touch the mat, but it's not going to. Good. And then push and lift. Repeating one more time, we're going to bend our knee forward. We're going to push our heel back. Good. And then this is my tighter side, so I really feel this in my back right foot and ankle. It's rather uncomfortable. Good. And then push up, 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 up. Hold that. Good. Bring your chest forward and down. Now drop this back foot flat as you pick up your left toes. So we're driving our heel down now. Good. Really push down. Start to notice the pull here through the lower part of the ankle into the bottom of the foot for 3, 2. Exhale, foot goes flat on 1, step up. Good. And then you're going to raise your heels from here. 1, 2, 3, heels up, okay? Keep those heels in the air. Stay elevated on the balls of your feet, and then start to bring the knees forward. This is called toe balance. So as we're on the balls of our feet, I want you to feel the sensation of what's happening in the bottoms of your foot. So right now, it might be super fine, or for me, it feels like, I'm taking something and moving it in an opposite direction. Good. Now, bring the knees down in front of you. I'm going to walk back on the mat just a little bit. And you're going to sit back on your heels. Here, Carrie. On your bed. Come on. Sit. Sit down. Good. On your bed. Stay. Now, you're also staying as you sit back on your heels just like this, and you're holding on to it. Good. 3. That deep stretch should be occurring in the bottoms of those feet for 2. And then you're going to stay exactly as you are. Come off of the tops of the feet, lay them down, and then you're going to put your hands on your thighs and kind of lean back a little bit. So it's almost like you're picking up your knees just slightly here. Good. Holding there for 3. Keep pressing down into the tops of your feet for 2. Good. Now put your knees down, lift up, tuck under, and stretch. Good. Walk your hands up to your thighs if you'd like to, long through the spine. Good. This is the second time you're here. You may or may not feel a lot of tension. I do feel a lot of tension. Good. One more full breath in. Those feet should start to feel exhausted almost like it's like, please stop putting me in this position. Good. Exhale, 1. So finding hands and knees position from here. You're going to glide 1 foot back. So you're going to find that nice deep calf stretch. Good. Really drive your heel back, back, back. And again, if you don't carry a lot of tension in your feet, this is not going to be something that you drastically feel. Switching sides, opposite foot's going to go back. Good. Hold. Now take the same foot back you started with, so that's my left side, foot's going to go flat, and then I'm going to anchor the foot down. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to start to feel this through the bottoms of my foot, through the bottom of my foot on the left, but also the outside of my left kind of lower ankle. Good. Keep pushing down and back for 3. We're going to switch sides in 2. Good. Exhale, bring those knees to neutral. Kick the right leg back. Same exact thing. Drive down, down, down. Good. 3. Keep pushing down through your back foot. Press your right hip slightly higher into the air for 2. Good. Exhale, take your time, and then very carefully bring it back to neutral. Perfect. Now, from there, I want you to carefully tops of the feet down, sit back on the heels. Second time you're here, last time you're here, you're going to try to pick up those knees maybe for 3. Good. 2. 1. Extend the arms out in front of you for me. Tuck the toes. Try to drive the feet flat, okay? Now, this is a short down dog shape. I'm trying to dig my heels down into the mat. Not only, of course, are my hamstrings and shoulders stretching, but with being able to take my feet flat, I'm going to try to pick up my toes. So right now, all 10 of my toes are up. And it's creating a much, much deeper stretch for me in my heels, in my Achilles, in the bottoms of my feet. Good. Now I'm going to stay in this short stance, but I'm going to raise my heels as high as I can, pushing down into the foot. Ready? Exhale. Let's try to go flat feet if you can. Pick up all 10 toes. 4. Good. Hold it. 3. I know this is difficult. 2. Good. Walk your hands all the way back to your feet. Put the toes down and then slowly roll to the top. Whew. Now, back to the beginning. Check in with how you feel, okay? Heels up and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what we're doing is we're opening our feet up. Right leg extends, point and flex 3 times without any extra extra assistance. Draw 3 circles right. So we don't have a ball. We don't have a strap. Other way, 3 circles. We don't have a resistance band. And all of those things, second side, are super helpful. Point and flex 3 times. and helping this assistance, okay? So I'll do other videos for you, 3 circles, with utilizing a ball or with utilizing a band, good, other way, and other objects that can help release tension in our feet. Good, now I want you to try to ground your feet super duper flat, feel the earth beneath you. Good, now try to grab the earth just like my hands were your toes, grab the earth with your feet, and then let them go. Good, again, grab the earth with your feet, and then let them go. Now we'll try to do that on one foot, same as we did before. Grab the earth, 5, 4, really try to squeeze, 3, 2, 1. Good, second side, last side, you're done with this, 5, 4, don't point and flex, 3, grab, 2, 1. Good job. Shake it out right and left, shake, 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 shake. Hopefully your feet feel a little better. Hopefully they feel a little bit thankful for the effort that you gave to them. And if you have any questions about your feet, any questions about releasing tension, feel free to ask. I have a couple more yoga for your feet videos as well on this platform, so feel free to check those out. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon.